Welcome back, everybody. Subcommittee valued all the representations made on the application to vary the premise license. The license holders have opened a new premises with a change of business model. The subcommittee were keen to hear about facts and stats from the responsible licence authorities to evidence the objections raised. The subcommittee noted that license holders have made various modifications to their original application and on balance considered it was appropriate that licensors should be given an opportunity to put the measures in place to demonstrate they can comply with the licence objectives. The subcommittee understood the licence officer's recommendations and felt appropriate to adjust the terminal hours for late night refreshments, sale of alcohol and opening hours due to the close proximity of residential properties above and surrounding the business premises. The decision. The subcommittee has considered all the relevant representations made available to it, and in doing so has taken into account the Licensing Act 2003, the guidance issued by the Secretary of State under Section 182 of the Act, in particular to 9.42 to 9.44, 10.10, 10.13, 14.51, 14.52, 14.19, 21.1 to 21.4, and the Hillingdon Statement of Licensing Policy, the licence objectives, and the public sector equality duty. The subcommittee has taken into account its duty to take all steps necessary in order to determine the application in a manner which upholds the licensing objectives. The licensing subcommittee has decided on balance of probabilities to grant the application to vary the premises license subject to the additional conditions. The entry admission numbers will increase from 65 to 90. The operating hours for Friday and Saturday will be replaced to 12 noon to 1 a.m. The licensing activities will be replaced to Friday and Saturday 12 noon to 24:30 hours. That's half midnight. Last entry to the premises shall be 23:30 hours. The applicant must put in place controls and equipment within the premises to ensure the noise levels comply with legal limits. Right of appeal. The relevant license holder for the variation of the premise license or any other person who made relevant representations to the application may appeal against the council's decision to the Justice Clerk at the Uxbridge Magistrates Court. Such an appeal must be brought within 21 days of notice of this decision. That's the end of the hearing.